Hey everyone, welcome back to TechSmart Pro. Today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and trust me, Samsung has packed in some serious game changers this year. If you're thinking about upgrading, you'll want to stick around for this video. Let's start with the design. Samsung has refined the look of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, giving it a sleeker, more premium feel. The device is thinner, and thanks to advanced materials it's lighter than ever, without sacrificing durability. And with Samsung's new color options, this phone isn't just powerful, it's stunning. Now, onto the display. Samsung's famous dynamic AMOLED screen has hit a new level with the S25 Ultra. It's brighter, more vibrant, and comes with an insane 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling, this display gives an immersive experience that's almost unmatched. Alright, let's talk about the cameras, probably one of the biggest highlights. The S25 Ultra now has a mind-blowing 250-megapixel main sensor, which means you'll capture incredibly detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. Samsung has also introduced an AI-powered zoom feature, making it easy to get super close without losing any quality. For all you content creators out there, the video capabilities have been upgraded to support 12K recording with HDR+.
And the official version of One UI 7, with all of game-changing AI features, will be released next year with the next Galaxy S series.
Samsung is introducing its new Exynos 2500 processor for international models, while the US variant gets the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this phone is a powerhouse. And for gamers, the S25 Ultra brings a new cooling system that keeps the device cool even during intense gaming sessions. Imagine ultra-smooth gaming on that 144Hz display. Incredible! Section 5. Battery and charging. No phone is complete without a solid battery life, right? The S25 Ultra comes with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, and thanks to Samsung's new adaptive power management, you can easily get through a full day and more. Plus, it supports 65-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, so you can quickly get back to 100%. Section 6. Software and extra features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is running Samsung's latest One UI on top of Android 15, offering tons of customization and new features. And Samsung's new AI assistant, powered by Galaxy AI, lets you do everything from controlling smart home devices to managing productivity, all hands-free. Conclusion. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in all its glory. Samsung has really set the bar high with this one, combining powerful hardware with groundbreaking software. What's your favorite feature? Are you planning on upgrading? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next tech breakdown. Outro thank you and subscribe call to action. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome tech reviews right here on TechSmart Pro. See you in the next one.